Hi. You know, I've been thinking a lot about relationships. They're hard. They're hard under any circumstance. You've got two totally different people, two totally different personalities, moods, and you name it. It's hard. But when you throw PTSD in with it, they can be incredibly hard. They're hard if you understand what it is. They're hard if the person who has it is getting help. They're hard if they're not getting help. And you don't understand anything about it. But a lot of times, because there is no hope about things getting better, people get miserable and they decide to end the relationship. Whether you're married, whether you're not married, even if it's just a friend of yours, you end up just walking away from the relationship. Now, if that has happened, and you discover later on what you think you might have been dealing with, regrets play a big role in that. And then you end up regretting, oh my God, why did I end it? Why did I not stay there and help them heal? And why did I take it all so personally? Why did I react the way I did? On and on and on and on and on. And you got a lot of regrets. If you are the one with PTSD and you ended it, or they ended it, and then you discover why you were acting the way you did, well, you got regrets too. So you might be thinking about trying to get a hold of them, trying to restore that relationship that you had because the love is still there. Now, sometimes that does work out, and sometimes people have gotten remarried. Sometimes it doesn't work out because they've gotten married to somebody else or with somebody else, or even like I said, if it's a friend and they just moved away or whatever. But you try. This is why today's featured video is the Beatles, You Won't See Me. Because sometimes they don't want anything to do with you. In that case, then what you want to do is you want to work on forgiving them and forgiving yourself. Because that's something it's never too late to do. So try working on that if it's too late. If it's not too late, then yes, try reconnecting once you started healing. If you are the one who walked away from somebody with PTSD, or they walked away from you and you're the one that found out later on, try reconnecting, yes. And leave it up to them. But even if that doesn't happen, you need to work on forgiving them and forgiving yourself too, and learning all you can about PTSD, what it does, and why you acted the way you did, and then forgive yourself. Same deal. It's never too late to forgive. And everybody's going to be a lot happier if you do. Try to restore. Try to forgive. It's kind of like having, a car. You either try to restore that car or you trade it in. Everybody will be happier the more you know. And remember, it's your life. Get in and drive it. See you next time.